Alright guys, so here are the pallets that they are using for our fence. Here they are. Look at them, and I would like to show you guys. Ta-da! Ta-da! Tan-tan. Wait. Vamos a la otra parte. Mira, aquí está la valla que estamos diciendo. Here is the fence that we are talking about, guys, and look at that. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. And this is the door. Yes. And my husband is taking these plants that I told you that they took out the other day. And we are burning it. Okay, so this part, guys, is almost okay already. We have to put they are going to put the door. So they're going to put the door, and they're going to finish, I think, a little touches down, because as you can see there's a big gap down, and they're going to fix that. And then they're going to put another fence, guys, between the fence and also between the chicken's house or the chicken coop, and then to the other part of our house. And this is what it looks like now, guys. And as I've said, that our neighbor is coming later to till the soil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. Okay, so I'm going to transplant this one. I'm going to put in the pot. And look, our greenhouse. And guys, look at this tree. This tree is almond tree or cherry tree, I don't know, because last year we didn't see any fruit because it was frozen. That's why. I think this one is, what do you think this one, Daddy? Almond? Almond tree? No. Cherry maybe. Oh, I think so, yes. It's a kind of cherry. I think, yeah, cherry tree. Okay guys, so this is the look of our backyard. And we are going to put the fence there, guys, this one. And our dogs are there running around, and our poor artichokes, I'm not sure if we are going to have artichokes this year. Can you see that? I think they need water, because you know what, guys, there's no rain these days. Many months already that we don't have rain, and that is why it's very dry here. Alright guys, so let's take this out, and I'm going to keep this one because I'm going to use it to plant as well. The weather is so beautiful, and I am just wearing a very thin sweater. Yes, it's like spring, guys, and yeah, it's so lovely, so lovely. My husband is there. Alright guys, so I would like to show you the overall look of the backyard or the vegetable garden. Okay, and we are going to take out all these tests here, or the pots. That way they can work on the soil. So this is the look, guys. That's the greenhouse. We only miss the plastic, so it's like that. So I think we have enough space to plant, to grow vegetables. And this is the look of our persimmon tree. Can you see? It is so dry. Yeah. Alright guys, so I transplanted already the garlics that we have in here, and now I'm going to take out this raised bed, yeah, and I'm going to put this one into that small shed, into that shed. So whenever the land is ready, I'm going to put this back here again, but to the other place, guys. All right, so here are the garlics. I rescued so many garlics, guys. Not only 4 or 5, but most of them. So we have in here. I hope they will grow. I hope, guys, they will grow. So I'll leave it here. Can you see that? In one pot. Okay, so I also put one in here. There's only one in here, guys. I covered it. And we have one here as well. And in here, and this one, guys, it's with taro root. I found one taro root inside. So I returned the taro root inside and it is ready to sprout. Yeah, so this is the garlic, guys. And another garlic in here. I think this is the root of the garlic. Yeah, so here, guys. Here is our garlic. Yes, there you go. And this one is quite big already, as you can see. Yes. So hopefully, guys, I can save this garlic. I hope all of them, guys. And 2 in here. Can you see this one? This one and another one in here. Yeah, so I use this. And in here, it's here, guys, and it is ready to sprout, I think, because there is root. There are lots of roots, guys. So I think they are going to survive. So in there, guys, I put on top of here because I'm afraid that our dogs will go and start to dig. So I put them in here. It's quite a little high. Yeah. And one is in there. Ayan. And my husband and I, we are going to paint the green ones, guys, into black. And also the woods, we are going to varnish the planks. And another one here, guys. Can you see? And also look at the roots. So many roots, guys. Imagine. So we are going to transplant this one, and hopefully this one will live. Okay, right, everyone. So our very good, or our very nice neighbor, guys, help us to move or till the soil using a tractor. Can you see? It is very, very nice. So we have enough vegetables. Yay! My husband pruned this one, but this one didn't. Can you see, guys? These are our plums. Our poor artichokes, because it didn't rain that much this winter, and they are all dry. And this is the size, guys, of our vegetable garden. So our dogs won't enter into our vegetable patch. Look, guys, look at the garlic that we planted last December, if you remember, in a pot. This one and one in there as well. Yeah, they are growing so well.